If we reflect in a merely logical fashion, we are only comparing our concepts with each other in the understanding to find whether both have the same content, whether they are contradictory or not, whether something is contained within the concept or is an addition from outside, which of the two is given and which should serve only as a mode of thinking what is given. But if I apply these concepts to an object in general, in the transcendental sense, without determining whether it be an object of sensible or of intellectual intuition, limitations are at once revealed in the very notion of this object which forbid any non-empirical employment of the concepts, and by this very fact prove that the representation of an object as a thing in general is not only insufficient, but, when taken without sensible determination and independently of any empirical condition, self-contradictory. The conclusion is that we must either abstract from any and every object, as in logic, or, if we admit an object, must think it under the conditions of sensible intuition. For the intelligible would require a quite peculiar intuition which we do not possess, and in the absence of this would be for us nothing at all. And on the other hand, it is also evident that appearances could not be objects in themselves. If I think to myself merely things in general, the difference in their outer relations cannot constitute a difference in the things themselves. On the contrary, it presupposes this difference. And if there is no inward difference between the concept of the one and the concept of the other, I am only positing one and the same thing in different relations. Further, the addition of one sheer affirmation, reality, to another increases the positive in them. Nothing is withdrawn or inhibited. Accordingly, the real in things cannot be in conflict with itself, and so on. Immanuel Kant, Critique of Pure Reason, A. 279 through 280, B. 335 through 336.